Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Just to give you an update, this is the fourth iteration of MedChain, and what we have accomplished so far is a lot. So we have made the IPFS configurations from the upload and retrieval, and getting the CID, and we also before that there is an encryption part using a random key and we have used the EES 256 encryption for this part. And what's going to happen for the user interface is that it will show the CID and it will show the key for the specific file in order for the patient to keep it and save it like safely. And he will be the only one who will have the key for so far. In the future, I think what we're gonna do is using a proxy re-encryption process in order to give permission to other parties, let's say like a doctor or a healthcare professional, and so they can take a look at their medical histories and give an accurate diagnosis for this patient. So. This will be obviously be made on top of a smart contract on Ethereum, which will make it a bit easier for people to interact with. So far, let me show you what we have accomplished, like a demo for that. Let's upload the file first. So, what book should we choose this time? I think we could choose the an AI Engineering by Triple One. So it's a really good book as well. Let's upload the file. And all right. So right now, as you can see, like here, we have been given a CID. So this is a specific hash for every file, and we have been given an encryption key that we should keep safely in ourselves. So if we want to view the file here, we have to go to another page, and we will add the CID, and we will add the encryption key, the exact encryption key here. And let's say to it, we want to decrypt. And we'll end up using the same this amazing book with us. So let's say, for example, I will do something else. I will, maybe add the same key, but I will maybe change this E with an F. And if I try to do this, what's going to happen is that the decryption fails incorrect key. What else? For example, let's say we have deleted like two of them of those numbers here. So it has to be like 64 hex characters with 32 bytes, and it has to be 64 characters, and you're using 62. So this is a big problem when talking about what in order to retrieve the file, it has to be the same exact key, which could be, for example, be stored in an NFC card. And whenever the patient wants to give the record for a healthcare provider, he could give him the card and scan it using his encryption key. So he'll be the only authorizer. But in other applications, it could be also be used using a proxy re-encryption process on a smart contract on Ethereum, which could be given access to other parties and other clinics or hospitals around the country or other places or other countries as well. And you could but the patient who he will be the only person who would give the consent for all of this. All right, so if we done this again, we'll decrypt the file. I'll get this beautiful book again. So yeah, I hope this showed up our progress so far, and there is a lot to be done. I think by 25th of January you will be ending up with the NFC card reader and NFC configurations. And we will also be done with the UI because this UI is not the perfect one. So will be there a UI for the doctor and a UI for the patient, for both of them to retrieve the files. And there gonna be also after, but it will be another phase. We will be doing a proxy re-encryption on a smart contract, which is something that we're gonna be learning actually to implement in this project. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and Loom, and let me know if you have any feedback for this.